My name's Kylie Wycorn, and I'm currently enrolled in the plumbing apprenticeship program at Algonquin College. Taking the plumbing program was important to me because I get to work with water every day. Water is incredibly important. Water is sacred and water is life. So for me, as a plumber, I get to help facilitate water's life cycle, which is just absolutely amazing. For me, it provides a sense of balance to my life. So it's physically demanding, it's mentally stimulating, it's all creative problem solving, trying to figure out how to repair things with what you've got on hand. And it's also spiritual because I'm working with water, so it's holistic and balanced. Being a plumber has helped me learn humility because you never really know what you're going to get when you're a plumber. But it's also helped me feel empowered with regards to tool use. Being able to use hand tools and power tools is an important skill, and I find that having that skill set helps me feel prepared to conquer anything in life. With the Weston Family Scholarship, I had the opportunity to meet other women who are pursuing careers in the trades. The scholarship program provided me with funds so that I was able to buy an array of good quality power tools. And so what this has done is set me up so that once I complete my apprenticeship program and am Red Seal certified, I will be able to go and do jobs on my own. I love being a woman in a male-dominated trade. I bring a different perspective to jobs and can come up with solutions that may not have otherwise been considered. I find that things in society are changing and customers are always thrilled to see a woman in the trades. And I find that also customers often feel at ease just by having a woman in their house to do the repairs.